And so here we have the Ailun glass screen protector. This one in particular is for the iPhone 16e, iPhone 14, 13, and 13 Pro. This one basically brings three tempered glass screen protectors in one package. It does. I've already used one, so I already have it installed on one of my iPhones. Comes with the tape, make sure protecting the actual glass itself so it doesn't catch any particles or anything like that. For every single application, it brings a wet wipe and a dry wipe for you to clean your device. And very convenient as well, it includes these stickers for you to guide the process of application, as well as catching any particles of dust and things like that that set on your glass before you put the protector in. So this has also saved my device a bunch of times. I have dropped it like anyone else, and this has saved it 1,000%. I couldn't deal essentially without it. So if you're looking for a good protector for your iPhone, this is gonna be it, guys.